Guys, welcome back to my channel Tcash FPV. Today I'm out here to test the Cinelog 35V2 HD03 with the TX16S and the micro ranger module. This is my first time flying the Cinelog. I actually copied the rate from the Cinelog 35 to my simulator, so I've been practicing with the actual stock rate of the Cinelog on my simulator. So, and also this is my first time using the DJI Gogo Integra. I've been flying my Cetus X, which is an analog drone, but this is the digital version. So I'll upload the footages from my first flight of the Cinelog 35. So let's get to it. Okay, so I took off in angle mode because I'm still trying to get used to the power management. I've been using the Light Radio 3, which has small gimbal compared to the TX16S. So I'm trying to get used to the power management to see how fast and how powerful the quad is before I switch to air mode to see how it's going to handle. So I'll finish the first pack flying angle mode, getting used to the throttle and also how it feels, because I've been using the TX16S only on simulator. This is my first time using it to fly actually on the field. So let's see how the power handles. It's been kind of solid though, but I'm kind of feeling the control is kind of jumpy because I'm so used to air mode. So pushing the stick and all on angle mode is kind of crazy. But let's see, after exhausting the first pack on angle mode, I'll switch the next one to air mode and see how it handles. So on the second flight, I switched to air mode, which I've been using most times to fly both on my Cetus X and on my simulator. So I prefer flying in air mode. It feels very comfortable and better while flying in air mode than the angle mode. I hate pushing those sticks, always pushing them forward to get forward flight, and also all those auto level and all. So it makes the quad feel annoying while flying for the first time. But after I switched to air mode, I actually enjoy flying the quad in air mode. It feels very fine. The handling is better while flying in air mode, and also as you can see, the flight is far more better than when I was flying in angle mode. So guys, this is how the quad feels like. I'll be uploading more of my flight videos and capturing different scenes using the Cinelog 35. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share. I'll be uploading different amazing content. Stay tuned. Thank you very much.